Bronze 3, American Bolero. Figure 5, fan with ladies turn. Slow. Quick, quick, 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 slow. And now the gentleman's footwork. He begins with a side step and our sway action. Forward contra check. Bringing her across and sending her into fan position, perpendicular. Forward rock, closes his feet. Back rock as he turns her. And now the lady's footwork. Beginning in dance position, we start with a side step, sway action. She rocks back for a contra check. She steps forward into fan position, perpendicular. She rocks back, forward step, ladies turn, and ends with a side step.